There you got it, honey. Good job. We're not going on the motorcycle. Oh. You want Mama to get on there? Might be a little big. Let's see, Noah. Good job, buddy. What are you doing in there? What you want, honey? The car? Okay, I'll get it for you. Ooh, ouch.
What car do you mean?
Your car is mean?
I said, what car do you mean?
Oh, I'm going to get the car out for Lola. You think your haircut makes you go faster?
Did you see that car?
Yeah, that's the box for it.